What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. It's almost sunny, but this outlet mall is about to close. What the hell is that about? I don't know. Let's see how many stores we could hit up. Dude got a New Balance outlet, aka factory store. Let's go. They do have the same sale that we did see the last time I stopped by a store last weekend. Back wall, it is all yellow and red stickers. So let's see what's 30% off the back wall. We are seeing 550s on sale, which is pretty insane. One of the most hype shoes of last year, right? $80 to get that 30 off. 420 V2s, not too familiar with these. Going for 50 bucks. 327, these are 9.5. Never seen that paper looking material on the side. 80 bucks for those. Like isn't this? Oh, I guess, yeah, this is what I'm used to. Like that synthetic material on the side. It's a little nicer colorway right there too. Dude, got the bodegas in the smaller sizes. What size is this? Size 8s. I do love the fact that they helped people out with the boxes. That's what's up. Got them in 8.5s here as well. I love these people who save the boxes for us. Dude, got some Kawaii 1s. Well, these are Kawaii 2s. I think these are the Kawaii 1s. Down to $70. Then you get 30 off. Wow. 996s. Dude got 996s here on sale. $110. You get 30 off on top. That is a fantastic deal. That's a size 12. Got a couple of the 12s. Okay. And then 997s. 90 bucks. Got 990s. And yeah, $140. That's a hell of a deal. Dude got these for $150. These are normally like $180. And the 550s, that's regular price though. Oh, and then they do have these. Got the mustard colorway in plenty of sizes. $80 for those. Those are 30% off though, because you see that yellow sticker on it. And they do have selections of 515s. Got the dad shoe right here, the 608s. I wasn't familiar with the number. They just remind me of the Monarchs. We got the 574s right there. Also got the 5740s. All right, not too bad. We're gonna go check out some more shops. Let's go. Dude got a lids. I saw an interesting sign, so we gotta check it out. They just started a new sale, 30% off. Johnson jerseys right here, Larry Johnson, 85. Dude got a Durant jersey. This is a youth, and $40. 60. Yeah, 60 for these. This is a men's jersey, XL. Steve Smith, 85, and then 65 for that one. All right, did grab these. I only have 10 minutes. You know what? I'll show you guys at the end because, yeah, I only have 10 minutes. Have a pretty big Adidas outlet here. It doesn't even look like an outlet, but it's 50% off store wide. Let's look. Got like 7 minutes. Quickest Adidas stop ever. 50% off the back wall. Let's hunt. Donovan Mitchell Spider-Man's issue 3. $90. That's a size 8. Arizona State. This is a collab with, I forgot who that was, but yeah, this is a size 5 though. 80 bucks. Ultra Boost 2021s. Hoping to find these for cheap. Gonna have to check out. I'm gonna have to look at Ross and stuff like that. These are $180. Got all white superstars with no price tag on it. Got Ultra Boost down here, size 4. That's not even men's. Got these Ultra Boost right here. No price tag on these either. And these fools tripping. All right, we're taking a look at the aisles. Dame 8's going for 80 bucks, no extra discount. Dawn issue 4 is going for $60 after the discount. Retro P E5s. That's 65 after a discount. Got some skate shoes. These are pretty fire. Is it the Booznits? Boozinits? I don't know. But yeah, only baby sizes. Dang it. Superstars go for 80. Multiple colorways. And then Ultra Boost. Some of them got sales. That's a solid price. $65 after the discount. Got this colorway as well. This one's pretty interesting. 75 bucks. Got a few sizes. And then look at this one. It's a cold ready version. $30. 30 freaking dollars. It only goes up to size 6. All the big sizes are taken. And these are down to $60. That's a fire colorway. 65. $130 for those. 50 for the web boots right there. Or web boost. And then women's section, these are only the small ones, 50 bucks. Lip-on DNAs down to 40, only small sizes. 40 for those. 60 for these, dope colorway, only size 6 though. And then most of them just $1.30. I think that's gonna be the quickest visit. Okay, that one's $95. All right, it's gonna be one of the quicker visits. Hope I got enough to make a full video. We're done. All right, don't think I forgot about these. Did buy a few things here. I don't even know what brand these are, but look, $5 freaking. These came out to $5. Ohio State hats. We're kind of near Ohio, so I think there are some Ohio people that do live out here. I think most people out here support Penn State. I was talking to the worker because I didn't really know, but Ohio State right here does have Buckeyes on the side, and then got that dope Ohio State logo on it. Got 2 of the gray ones and then 1 of the red ones just to switch things up. And then they were marked as $5 and then got another 30% off because it was on clearance. So $3.50 each, $3.50, $3.50, and $3.50. And apparently they don't do tax. They don't do tax. So $10.50 for all these. No tax on clothing in the state of Pennsylvania, which is just ridiculous. $10.50 off. All right, so it is a weekend and the mall is closed. The mall closes at 8 o'clock. The sun's not even down yet. That's just a foreign thing for me, but we're in rural America and that's kind of the way things work. Crazy cheap. Got these pretty much for free. I did talk to the worker. Apparently they started the 30% off sale again. That's not the semi-annual clearance sale, but they started the 30% off sale once again just yesterday or a day before or something. So yeah, it's definitely worth checking. You know, sometimes they price stuff for hella cheap. Definitely worth copping. So yeah, so go check some of the lids if there happens to be a few. I'm hitting up a ton of shops, so I'm definitely gonna be hitting up a couple more lids and we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hit that like button, whatever. All right, first thing you do with the rental car, you do a walkthrough. Make sure there's no big scratches, dents, or anything like that. You document. Also make sure there's a full tank of gas so you know how much gas to leave it at when you're done. And then you're good. Inside's pretty decent for a little budget car. Not too bad. All right, let's go with the Nike Outlet Marathon. Well, sneaker shopping marathon, because there's only 3 Nike outlets out here. Yeah, we definitely out of LA. We definitely out of California. Well, Southern California, Northern California got some scenes like this. Look at how green it is. Look at how green it is. And the only place in LA where you can get green like this at the cannabis stores, man. And no kind of green up in LA, man. And no water shortage here. The huge thing, you guys, this is a big pet peeve of mine, and you see it, people in other states that actually know how to drive. If they're not going fast, they're going to the right. And if they're in the left lane, if they're in the fast lane, they're moving over to the right if I do approach them. Like, you don't see that in California, man. Y'all need to learn how to drive in Cali, man. Make sure you guys check out some of these other videos. I do have tons of other videos. And I'm covering half the United States, you guys. Going out to different states and stuff like that. Make sure you guys check out some of these other videos. And yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.